Today we're gonna be making slime.
Not guaranteed to work.
Well, we'll try this out. So, step one, pour some glue inside. A little bit should be fine,
But
I guess.
right now, I'm gonna try the whole bottle.
Step two, sink water or water, but only get a little bit. Make sure you should mix it around
With anything.
with anything. Like what Karen's doing, you can add more glue, much more glue as you want. As you want. As you want.
Add water for the thickness and the consistency.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Wait, what if there's like already a lot of rice?
Just like guava juice. He uses glue.
Okay, now laundry detergent as activator.
You can check if there's rice.
Gain.
I hate it when people make such good
Make sure you use this kind of water.
It's so.
Some
I
gain.
swear to God, means if you fucking pop,
What?
if you pop
Gain.
pause it, I'm gonna
Gain.
smash your ass.
See.
This is what happens when the slime gets too soft.
That is.
It'll be harder to mash down. So try weights.
Can you not look through my book? Can you
Bless
put
you.
it down?
Thank you.
You are not to have food from me.
Like what Cameron is doing, keep mixing. Once you've added this
The activator.
in the game.
I'm not Sir Dawkins. I'm not giving penalties.
We'll cut right out until Cameron finishes. One more thing, viewers, we need to wait 30 minutes until the slime is ready.
She's such a
And then 30 minutes or less. Then you'll have your satisfying slime.
everything seems to be biting
So let's
me
wait.
down.
So let's wait for 30 minutes. See you next time. Commercial break. Alright. This is what happens when you leave the slime like this. It gets really hard to squish now. And it's less sticky this time. It doesn't even stick to your hand that much. And it doesn't want to go down that much. So try a weight. Like a rolling pin. Commercial break. Did you know that you can roll these up into slime balls? Watch this. Whoops. Take two. Ta-da! That was commercial break 2.
Ready?
Alright, the timer is now done. And this is our final result.
No, not yet. You gotta let it sit.
Yeah, we still gotta let it sit. This was our final result until 10 minutes was done.
Look at the clock, Terry. Look at the clock.
I know the clock is finished.
No, not that clock.
So,
Other clock.
we're not gonna. So, we're gonna have to wait for another. Yeah. And now this is what happens when you add more.
Guys, this is hard to chop.
Remember, this is not guaranteed to work, so we are not experts at making slime.
Would work better if you had eye contact solution.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
Slime is hard to
Now
cut.
we'll be,
Needing enough hands.
needing of hands. This is the part where you need your hands.
Kind of looks like.
And
get Kind of looks like
This is probably step 3. You play it around, play with the slime around until it looks like original slime. And then you can form it. It might not look like slime yet, but it will. So we'll see you guys in the next step. So Yeah, guys.
Destroyed it.
No, we had a bit of a problem. It kind of dropped everywhere, and she tried to
And
pick it up.
Aubrey, do not say that she failed. 'Cause I really
Mika, you're interrupting. Sorry, guys. We have some technical difficulties right here.
Because she's being rude.
Mika, everyone's gonna hate my channel now. Screw you.
Over there.
All right. After we cleared off the table,
The corner.
Cameron is using a spoon to take it to the corner and getting the extra, the leftovers, and doing that.
No, you're not keeping it.
And then go keep mixing
I
again.
washed it for you.
And the decontaminated.
It's contaminated, not
Contaminated.
They clean. Cool.
These are the hard slimes. These are the making
this is a
of
hideous
slime.
slime. Just kidding. Someone messed up my slime right here. Someone messed up my slime here. I ate the slime. I should have shown my slime.
Alright, we'll come back. And there you have it. Our slime. Well,
Still a little sticky.
still a little sticky. But have fun with your new slime. And wait for it to dry or something. Do experiments with it. And thank you for viewing this first slime video. And now, signing off.